All right, let's look at this chart we have here. This is an anchor chart, and it's going to be an example for how to compare numbers and order our numbers. So let's start off with comparing numbers. How do I compare and order? So when you start comparing numbers, meaning you want to see which one is bigger, which one is smaller, greater than, less than, you're going to look at your greatest place value. So if you only have 3 digits in your number, then you're going to start comparing at the hundreds place value. If you have 5 digits in your number, you're going to start comparing at your 10,000s place value. So for these examples, we have 6 digits in our number, so we're going to start comparing here in our 100,000s. And then if they're the same, we're going to move on to the next place value on the right. So my 100,000s, we have an 8 and an 8. Those are the same digit, so I'm going to move on to my 10,000s because this does not tell me if my number is going to be bigger or smaller because 8 and 8 are equal. And then so I'm going to move to my 10,000s. I have a 3 and a 5. Well, those are not the same digit, so I know that one of them is going to be smaller than the other. 3 compared to 5, 3 is less than 5, so that makes this number 839,027 less than 857,601. And you can see how they have it written both ways. When you have your greater than, less than symbol, the less than symbol opens up to the right and your greater than symbol opens up to the left. So here you would read this number 839,027 is less than 857,601. This is the same, well, this is not the same statement, but these are the same numbers. You are just now going to say greater than. So you're going to put the bigger number in front. 857,601 is greater than 839,027. So I have the same numbers. I've just read them with one being less than and one being greater than. Okay, so now we're going to look at comparing or ordering our numbers. When we order our numbers, I want you to write out a place value chart and plug your numbers into your place value chart. One, that's going to help you keep your numbers organized and in line. And then 2, that's going to help you see where the place values are and help you compare and order them appropriately. So this list here goes in order from greatest to least. And then this list goes from least to greatest. They're the same numbers. One just goes greatest to least and least to greatest. We're going to practice doing this, and I'm going to show you an example on the next video.